just got the pre-sale code. We want to secure VIP 1 for at least one stop. So manifesting. It's 24 minutes. I don't know if you can see if I'm shaking because I'm so scared. But I have a manifestation circle going. To the future, Sarah, Erica, Angelina, and Asia, congratulations on your VIP 1. Yeah, congratulations. Oh my god. Shut up. Please. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Ultimate package. Yeah, it's an ultimate. Oh my god. I told you. Oh my god. Asia, I love you. Oh yeah, I literally. You're so good. We got VIP 1 tickets. Let's go. Proud of them. They're so freaking cute. They're like tour nails, so freaking cute. I'm literally obsessed. Hi, we are on the way to Chicago. Hello. We have like 4 hours till we get to Chicago. Okay, we're gonna drive. Bye. See you in Chicago. This is our hotel. There's like a really cute like area here. Little garden. It's so cute. Say hi. Hi. Hey guys. Okay, so we're in line for wristbands right now. We're gonna guess what number we got, okay? Ready? I'm saying 87. 82. 75. 70. Let's just do it. Let's just be delusional. 70. Are you the 4th person? Yeah, I am. Thank you so very much. I love your nails. Thank you. Okay. Appreciate it. Back at 3, okay? Appreciate it. I'll take it. Everybody's kind of dead right now. What did I say? I said 70. And so it's 97 to 99. We did it. Let's go. Enhypen, the things that we do. Seriously. We have about an hour and 30 minutes to get ready. Fit check. Concept was no doubt. We're in. Let's go. VIP. Oh wait. Oh yeah. We did it! Barricade!
Thank you guys so much for coming out tonight. We're gonna make some good memories.
Yes, sir! was telling you to drive. Holy shit! I don't ever want to be that again! Yes! Send off aftermath! Woo! They're crying real tears right now, you guys. Good job, everybody. We fucking survived. Let's go. That's the most important thing. We had a good time. We're doing so good together. What the fuck? Y'all feel like I'm not even gonna fucking lie. Let me show the chat what's going on. Boom. Hey! Oh my god. And that's a Sunghoon? Yeah, Sunghoon Jakey. Oh my god, we should get it's ice cream. Okay, cheers. It tastes good, but it's so messy. Kpopnara. We haven't even unpacked from Chicago yet, but we're packing for L.A. Shoes.
Yes, this also includes e-cigarettes or vapes.
We just checked in and look, these lights. Perfect timing.
귀찮잖아요.
Yeah.
So ready to go to sleep. We're on tired.
Anything for Enhypen. Oh, Enhypen's for out. Let's go. 6:34 a.m. Good morning.
Perfect. This isn't giving the vibe that I thought it was gonna give, I'm not gonna lie. I do like the Chicago Fits a little bit better, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna head up.
We're getting ready to go to the merch line. We didn't get any merch from Chicago.
But I'm gonna make sure I buy everything here.
Well, how much damage do you think we're gonna do?
Oh, it's giving $230.
I hope it's only $230. But yeah, see you guys at the merch line. Woo! Here. Engine zone. Where was that? How you doing? I have a bandana. Yeah, and then thank you. Thank you.
Sunghoon, Jake, and Jay.
And the merch line is how long has it been?
It's been like 3 hours.
3 hours. But we're almost to the front. We're almost at the front.
4.
We're at the front of the line. Finally, let's go. Let's go. about the trip.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cheers.
Somebody traded jungle and yeah, I think I found one.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go light up now. I'm good. Soundcheck started. We can hear them, but we can't see them. Okay, say less. No more. Okay, our lights moving finally. Let's go. Alright, let's fucking go. You wanna go faster? Hey. And live from Michigan because we couldn't get hoodies earlier. We're so close. Like we thought we were all the way back there. We're literally telling people like, oh, I think you're sitting in our seat, and then they're like, no, you guys are up there. I'm like, we're up there.
Whenever you're ready.
Enhypen walk the line drink. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
Engene, we made it home.
We made it home somehow. Everything hurts. We're like,
My feet fucking hurt. I don't know how you still have your heels on.
I'm so sad that the tour is over. This tour was really fun. I feel like we met so many nice people.
Yeah, no, for real.
Look at this is what I've survived in all day. I don't know why I would do that to myself.
Enhypen, you're amazing always. Always, always.
Oh, miss you guys. I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Like I always am happy when I see you guys. Like the craziest amount of happiness in one night.
The boys are live.
Has all the toys.
Damn, this is small.
I love the detailing on the side.
I love design like these.
So pretty. I seen how good it looked on everybody, and so I was like, oh dang, like it's actually really nice looking. So I got it. I got those shirts, so cute. Yeah, I don't look good in red. If I did look good in red, I probably would have bought one too. But Because Heesung wore it. Heesung looks so good. They look so good in that shirt. I basically bought everything. I'm not even gonna lie. People look so good in this shirt. I got one and then my friend got one because we wanted the LBs. So let's show them the LBs. We're in line for Hello 82 for the LBs. Because we're going to ask
How little there is left, and there's all those people in front of you. You guys can enjoy like the photo zones. There's
Epic fail, we didn't get them. They sold out. They sold out. They had like nothing for the secondary. It's okay. RIP. It's RIP for real. We're just gonna go eat. Yeah, we're gonna go I'll look for a Geo online. Jungwon didn't come on. Okay, we're gonna go eat. The food's so freaking good, you guys. Erica would be so jealous. We're checking out of our hotel. It's been so fun. I'm so sad. It went by so fast. Dude, the freaking tour merch is hard, bro. Why did the tour go so I feel like I'm gonna cry bro. I can't do it. So sad. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, I'm not gonna cry. I'm good. Enhypen's still here. Maybe we should just stay. We missed our flight. That's what I'm saying. I think we missed our flight. I'll just call my boss. We missed our flight. I'm so sorry. If we stay here for like another day, you ready? Okay, we're leaving. That's it for the tour. The tour's all done. You guys toured done. Ready? 1, 2, 3.